Hello everyone, if your Windows affected by virus and you just want to fix that and you want to fix it for free, in this video we're gonna help you how to do it. Stay with me please. If you enjoy it and this video help you, help me as well and hit like button, subscribe the channel. Let's start. So first step is gonna be go to run. If you don't know how to open run, you can click on Windows and R bottom, you will have it here, or just click right on Windows, then go run. Or run, you need to type this inetcpl.cpl, then click OK. On internet preparation, go to advanced, and on advanced click on reset. Then I recommend to delete personal setting, because if your Windows affected by virus, you need to delete every single password you have it. That's gonna be more safe for you. So just click this one and click on reset. Let's move to next step. Our next step is gonna be again run and type clean mgr. On clean mgr, just tick all thing and clean up system files. After you've done that, again Windows bottom and R and type temp, click OK. Delete everything is here. I always do that, that's why I don't have much. Do this for all. Skip. Keep the files, the Windows they needed, because you already use it. And again, go to Windows bottom R and click percentage, temp percentage, and again click anywhere and Ctrl A, delete, skip. That's it. Do this for all. Keep the files, the Windows they already use it, doesn't matter. So you already now delete everything you know needed in this computer, viruses, cookies, cache. So you need last step to make your computer be very good and very clean. It's gonna be go to Chrome and on top click type Malwarebytes. If you type on malware, you will find it here, but it's not gonna be for free, so just type next to it free download and try free for Windows. So download Malwarebytes and run it. After you finish and he's cleaned every single virus in your computer, just go to add our remove programs and find it from here and delete the Malwarebytes. So here we done, guys. Hopefully this video help you and make your computer run faster. Please help me as well. Hit like button, subscribe the channel. See you in next video.